Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start with the essentials: iOS 18 and Instagram updated. Open messages to confirm your Memoji exists, then customize expressions so they look right on camera. Once done, launch Instagram and grant camera and microphone access. This matters because Instagram needs sticker and camera permission to apply live Memoji. Next, open the camera in Stories or Reels and tap the effects icon. You're now ready to attach a Memoji sticker, not a third-party avatar. Now apply the Memoji. In Stories or Reels camera mode, pick Effects, then the Stickers sheet. Scroll to the Memoji section and select the face you created. It appears as a sticker overlay. Tap and drag to position, use pinch to resize, and long press to pin the Memoji to your face or another object so it tracks motion. Make sure lighting is consistent so tracking stays stable. If you want live facial animation, use the built-in camera effect that supports animated Memoji. Finish by recording your clip, adjusting audio levels, adding text, and applying filters before you share. If the Memoji won't track, stop and retap the sticker to repin or switch cameras and try again. Sometimes toggling face tracking in the effect resets it. If issues persist, force close Instagram and reopen, restart your iPhone, and confirm camera permissions in settings. These steps clear temporary glitches, so your Memoji will attach and animate properly when you publish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.